Today I want to teach you another tutorial, anonymous tutorial, and let's do this quick, fast and easy. So the title of my tutorial is this. Here. Okay, the title of my tutorial is Anonymous Tutorial iSpam B2 Y Republica Style. In my last tutorial I showed you iSpam B1, so this is iSpam B2. It's way too different. Okay, I want to show you what's the difference of this in iSpam B1. It has a load spam packets. Okay, first you must click on load spam packets. Then let's choose load spam packets stored in my documents. So here, iSpam message, and open. There it goes. Then click on the spam speed. I actually always use speed 1, and you can spam numbers, spam you want to send in the room. I'm choosing in 16. Okay, I'm choosing just 16. Okay, and what you want to do is, okay, click on I love you, and that's all. I click on start. Let's see what happens in the room. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. And you can click on more. Right. Love it. There it goes. There it goes. Just keep on spamming, okay? There it goes. As you can see, it's keep on. If you want to load again, example, I'm loading again another. You can load another message, okay? I will load in. There it goes. Another spam message, and you can load as many as you want. Okay. Put your thing here. There it goes. There it goes. As you can see, there it goes. And Supladita. I was choosing Supladita. There it goes. Good, there it goes. It's working 100%, guys. iSpam B2 is working 100%. So this is Anonymous signing out in YouTube. Actually, I can put in 100 if I want to. Okay. There it goes. And starts to send back. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Just a tip, okay? You must use the tip is this tip. Okay, I will show you a tip. You must spam speed in its lowest rate. Okay, speed highest rate for you to not be by the users in the room. Okay, put spam in the lowest rate. Okay, that's it. There it goes. Keep second. As you can see, it's not even ignored here. As you can see, there's not a message that Anonymous barely ignores the users, or 12 users, 5, 10 users. If I am being ignored, it will flash in my screen. It's just the technique, okay? The spam speed 2 is lowest. You can see from spamming. I've already chosen it. There it goes. Same rate. Okay,